So today we are doing some garlic butter shrimps or scampis. So we have here 400 grams of shrimps, like good size, cleaned, with some salt and some lemon juice. Okay, and next we have some scallops, 2 of them, and of course, if you are doing garlic butter shrimp, you need some garlic. So I have 2 portions of garlic and 1 portion of ginger paste. Ginger is optional, but I like it that way. So it's about 3 tablespoons. And then 1 stick of butter, lemon juice, chili optional, pink salt, not Himalayan, avocado oil, broth, you can use white wine, and half of a teaspoon of freshly ground white pepper, and parsley. I have frozen one, biologic one, but fresh one is always better. So we are going to go ahead and add like 50 milliliter of avocado oil. Any other oil will do. Go according to your taste. And then 1/3 of my portion of butter. Let that melt. So now that the butter has melted, go ahead and add my shallots. Give it 30 seconds for it to think it's the only child. Just 30 seconds. Next is going to be our garlic and ginger paste. Give it a stir. Let them make friends. And add the chili. Again, that's optional, but you know I love the heat. If you can't handle it, don't go for it. And then the main antagonist, the garlic, not the garlic, the shrimps. And the other butter stick. Because my salt needs to melt down, go ahead and add it right now. But if you are using some other salt, you might want to wait. And then the white pepper, focus, there you go. Oh, cooking makes me so happy. Now we are going to stir all of that up. And because I have frozen parsley and I like my seafood, I will call it al dente, I'm going to go ahead and add the parsley right now so it has the time to heat up. So now give it a stir. I know it's a lot of sauce, but you can also go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of flour just to give it a little bit more texture, which I really don't need here. But the last part, again, you can use white one. I'm using broth and lemon juice. I would say 2 tablespoons of each. Look at that. So let's give it a stir. Switch off. And you are done. Et voila. So let's remove that from the stove and give it a taste.